Alright, so welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make HTML web page as far as setting it up and stuff. So right now I'm using Visual Studio Code, and you just download it. You can go to the website, download it, and what you want to do is you want to create a folder that's going to contain all of the files for your web page or whatever you want to do. You want to create a folder. So as you can see here, I created a folder called it HTML. And then getting started, you just want to create a file. It's just going to call it index.html. And then when you're getting started with this, we're just going to go through the basics for it as far as it right now. So each one has to have a doc type, which this basically specifies what the name of the document is that the browser is going to be processing. So, and then inside of that you need to have an HTML tag. The HTML tag basically contains everything that's related to HTML goes inside of these two tags. You have an opening one, as you can see here, one that is open, and then you have one that is closed. And to be able to tell the difference between the two, one of them will have a slash in front of it. Inside of that you have a tag called head. The head basically tells the browser all of the the metadata that it needs to know as far as like the name of the page. So inside of the head tag you have as far as the browser title, and you have a tag called title. So we'll just call this web page, I guess. And then you have to close the tag, as you can see here. Have a opening and a closing tag. And then outside of the head there is a tag called the body tag. Inside of the body tag is where all of the main content goes, as far as if you want to make paragraphs, as far as other stuff that you can do with HTML, all of it will go inside of the body, which is the body of the page. And as you can see here, we have, just going back through it, you got the doc type HTML. As far as capitalization and stuff, you can capitalize all of them. You can capitalize the HTML, or you can have it lowercase if you want. Just really is up to you. And let's see, is there anything else that I'm missing? Let's see, you can have white space in here because the browser typically just depends as far as the white space and stuff. It does have it in here where the browser will read the white space, but as far as most of the stuff goes, it really looks for the tags as far as creating the web page. So let's go ahead and just take a look at what we got here. So in that folder that you created, you should be able to see the file, which you can see here. It is. So this is where, well, I should have said the main content. This is where the main content goes. And this is, as you can see here, this is how you set up a basic web page, you know, just with the doc type HTML, which specifies to the browser what type of document is going to be processing. You got the HTML tag, which gives you everything that needs to go inside of it. So this is basically the outline of the document. If you don't have these tags, the document won't work right. So it has to go inside of there. So the head specifies to the browser what the name of the title of the page is going to be and stuff, and then the body is going to be where you put the main content. So that is basically just the first setup of a basic web page, and I catch you guys in the next tutorial.